Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on SUI. As in my earlier video, we were watching that SUI has recently broken out a falling wedge pattern on a daily time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared almost 3 days ago with you. And now if you take a look at the live chart, this is by the way a daily time frame chart, then you can see that after the breakout, we had a very powerful pump. If I place this measurement tool from this low to here, then you can see that it rallied more than 408%, but could not break out this long-term resistance of $2.36 and also got rejected by this uptrend line resistance. And by the way, this is another uptrend line resistance, a quite long-term uptrend line resistance that we found here on 14th of Feb 2024. You can see that we got rejection here, and once again got rejection here as well. So we have three resistance levels here, and the price is rejected, and now it is moving at this long-term support of $2. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to share with you my most recent trade signal for SUI that I shared almost 5 days ago with my members. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for SUI that I shared almost 5 days ago with my members, and that was an expected harmonic bullish reversal shark pattern that SUI was completing on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal. It buying on and the sell targets on, and below this level was the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line dropped down into the buying zone here and read the sell target zone here and here as well. And so far, it has pumped more than 10%. And before that, we caught almost 17% pump. But this time, the price line moved slightly down than this potential reversal zone. And this was a gardner pattern. And I shared this move on 21st of August 2024. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line moved slightly down, but recovered back very soon. Then we had almost 17% pump only on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of SUI, and this is the daily time frame chart. Previously, you can see that SUI has broken out this falling wedge pattern, and after the breakout, we had a very nice pump. And during this rally, the price formed a bearish fast pattern, and that was an up channel. And after the breakdown, the target was here at the bottom of the channel, and you can see that the price dropped more than that and tested this long-term support of 46.25 cents. That was previously breaking as a support here and resistance here, and almost as a resistance and support here as well, and again worked as a support. And after testing this support, the price broke out another falling wedge pattern. Then we had a very powerful rally. By the way, the technical target for the breakout from this wedge was here at the top of the wedge. That was approximately at $2.16. And here you can see that the price got rejected by three resistance levels. One is this uptrend line resistance that is coming from here from 14th of Feb 2024. We got rejection here, and rejection here. Another resistance is this one. You can see that we found this resistance here on 25th of August 2024. And if we take a look at the smaller time frame chart, on a 4-hour time frame chart, you can see that we have found another resistance here at $2.36. So we need to break out all these three resistance levels, and once SUI will be able to break out all these three resistance levels, then these resistance levels will be flipped into a long-term support for the price line, and this rally to the upside will be continued for the long term. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.